can see it in the window reflection. It's going to take off like super soon now. Coming. But it's in the reflection of the window.
Where is it?
Look, there it is. It's going to take off.
The doors look so little here.
Because it's so far away. It's going to take off now. It's going to actually to the runway. It's taking off the wrong way, Mum. It's taking off that way. I think it's literally going to turn around so it uses the full runway. Yeah, that's right. I just caught that. Yeah, I saw it on the runway on the flight radar, but it was going slow, so I thought it landed, but then we just saw it go.
Can we go back round or do you want to stay here?
I'll stay here. Mum, these things are getting in the way of the camera. They're doing a big poo and being annoying.
Yeah. We've got one company draw here.
It's literally going to take off any minute now. Oh, the British Airways one's moving, Mum. That other plane's got to take off though, because the British Airways one will be in the way. So it's got to take off like now. Oh, come on, it's taking ages to take off. When is it coming? It must be coming so soon now, Mum.
It must not be coming so soon now.
Stop just being...
What's that?
He's being moody. I think that other plane's going to take off when the British Airways one gets... Actually, the British Airways one might take off first.
Mummy, can I try doing a handstand on the
Mum, I think the British Airways one's taking off before the blue one.
Oh no, there's the blue one.
Oh, there it is. I told you I was going to the upper end of the runway.
Yeah, let's go back and see Dad now.